All right, hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host, Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I finally have number 6 of the tattoo decal inspired nail art. I'm going to go on to this last one here. It's this beetle, really cute. I tried to do something weird with the butt area here, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. I will insert the inspiration photo once again here. So that was the photo that inspired this series. So again, I'm trying to see how small I can get them. So I've just kind of roughed out my bug's body here. I'll show you guys the colors and what I'm going to use, and then I'll fast forward through the rest. Because yeah, so I'm going to go with similar colors to what I used with this one here. For the body color, I'm going to use this 1620, and I'm going to kind of wash this out or shear this out with a little bit of sheer brillianze 3 because I don't want as intense of a color. I just kind of want this like washed color. For the bum area, I'm going to use this 1539. It's this really pretty dark plummy red pink color. And then just to give that a little bit of a pop, I'm going to put just a little bit, like a very, very faint hint of this. It's a very scattered holographic silver. So there's not a whole lot of holo in there, but there is a little bit. If I need, I'm going to use my white to clean up this kind of moon-shaped area. And for the black, I'm going to be using Tips and Toes 037, and I'm also going to make a sheer black with this to do all of this shading. For my tools, I'm going to use Sheila. She is a 7mm detail brush. This is like the best brush I have. This is my favorite brush. And also I'm going to use for the dots, because they're super duper fine, my very well used Likes to Hide Away. Very fine dotting tool. A lot of people know this as like a design needle, or also like a drag marble tool this is also used for. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And yeah, I guess let's get going. So I'm going to fast forward from here, guys. All right, so I have matte top coated that, and I just put a little bit of shiny on. I guess that's not really the bum area. That's like the under shell where the wings would close. I like the way it turned out, but in my opinion, this is a lot to try and squeeze on such a tiny surface. So I would say for artwork like this that has a lot of line work for more like a thumb or something like that, I still am happy that I was able to, you know, get the actual beetle on a smaller nail. But that's my opinion. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. I will definitely see you all in the next one. So I hope you stay tuned and stay jazzy.